A tetraplegic client had come to the design group to create a device. Tetraplegia affects all 4 limbs, and in some people, it affects parts of the chest, abdomen, and back. The client no longer possesses the motor control necessary to read unassisted, and so a device is needed to assist the client in flipping pages of a book by herself.
After several weeks of quick sketches and rough ideation, 4 designs were created to choose from. Each design incorporated different ideas and took into account different aspects of the problem. Using a numerical evaluation matrix, each design was compared and based on reliable, user-friendliness, space used, visual appearance, and quietness of the overall design. The 4 designs were then rated on a scale of 1 to 10 for each aspect, and then multiplied by their respective weights to generate a weighted score. Design 1 used multiple page clamps and a long lever arm to flip pages both forwards and backwards. It scored a weight of 6.6 on the design matrix. Design 2 focused on preventing any damages to the book, in particular the spine of the book, which is the most common location for damage. Design 2 used a wheel and 2 page clamps to flip pages whilst keeping the book open at 140 degrees to prevent damages to the spine. Design 2 weighted at a 6.6, in particular due to its low score and visual appearance. Design 3 utilized 2 motors to flip pages both forwards and backwards. The pages would be individually slotted into teeth that could flip in both directions. Design 3 suffered because it could only flip a number of pages equal to its teeth and required more setup in time. Design 3 scored a weight of 6.5.
The final design uses a 2-motor system. The first motor activates the page wheel, which uses friction to lift the page, and the second motor rotates the page turner clockwise, which catches the lifted page. The page then fits in the page holder, which holds the page through friction and tension to ensure that it doesn't flip back. To accommodate multiple pages, the page holder has many levels and gaps. To ensure that the page wheel will always remain on the page, it is being held by gravity. The book rests on 2 platforms which are set open at 15 degrees so that the book spine does not get damaged. The machine works through the press of a switch, which is held by the switch arm that rests under the chin of the user.
The design group analyzed the maximum shear stress in a given position to be 5.139 Newton millimeters squared and the angle of twist to be 0.002 radians. These calculations allow the design group to know the force tending to cause deformation of a material by slippage along a plane.
According to this project, we learned how to make our schedules and plan in remote way, and using Google Drives and Google Docs to cooperate with each other work. About drawing, I think the best way to design the drawing is we need one person design a basic outline of one object, which is we learn. According to talk with each other, do some communications, to find the advantages of different people to maximize their ability in more efficient way.